Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP string and how we can use inside real projects. So I have already opened my project here and I have already opened my inside means a localhost PHP tutorial means index.php file. So first of all we can understand what is the string. So string I already show you, like we can store inside one variable inside whatever we can do it like a string. So is a string, but string how to convert, how to reserve a string, how to we can get the length. So here like lots of function there, but I will explain only for function because mainly using like fourth function. I think this is the also not working inside a main project, real project like strrev means a reverse. So this is the not also work, just mainly working like str replace and strlen. Suppose you need to verify like a push notification token, so you can verify okay 30 plus push notification token there, so you can use like a, this is the token is a 30 plus, so we need to add inside a database entry, otherwise we don't want to add inside database entry. So strlen work. And next one you can need to count, okay suppose you can add like 250 character means words inside a database. Suppose I will type like my about us, so I need to count, okay this is the length is like 250 means 250 character, so we can use it like a str words count. And str replace means whatever words do you want to replace. Suppose you have a big screen means a big like a string, inside you need to replace like hello to welcome, so you can use like a str replace. And str reverse means you need to reverse your string, like suppose whatever your name like alex your name, so alex you need to reverse, so it's like a reverse file works. So let's show you how we can use in inside real project and how we can use for these functions. Okay, so I will open the one file index.php and I will start php here. So I can use first function strlen. So first of all I will add like one id here, okay, like a string, like I can use like one len, variable name is a len, okay, means length is equal to, I can add like welcome to alex. Okay, so welcome to alex we have write. So what's the total words, so we need to use like this function, so I can use like echo strlen is inside, I can put this is the variable name means one parameter we can pass in here. After I will save this file and I just go back and I will refresh the page. So what's the total words there, 150. Okay, means 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, also space and also here space counting. So is a we are find out like a 15. Suppose I will remove like to alex, so you can say it what's the total count I will get. Okay, so I will show you inside real project how we can use. Here is a one token there like this welcome, let's make a token, one token like this token there, okay, inside our projects means you can using real time project. So it's like this token there because it's like push notification token. So let's check what's the total count we can get here. So here is a count like that 23, let's make a 2, so it's going to 25, so I can add 2 also. Okay, so it's going to 25, you can see it here 25. Okay, so now I need to check in real project how we can do it. So we can make condition if strlen is equal less than is equal to 25, so it's going to inside, otherwise need to go else part. So real project inside we can doing like this. Suppose it's like a app side is sending the like a one token any place, suppose website side is anybody can sending the token, so we need to verify. So here I can make, okay, so here I can make like continue otherwise success, whatever do you want to write here. So means is a continue your coding, and here you can showing like errors, whatever error do you want to show, like you can your token is not verified, your token is like invalid, whatever do you want to type you can type it inside. Let's show you like this errors. Okay, so let's go back, here you can see it like continue because it's working very well, so less than is equal to. Suppose I will add a more token like a 22, so it also work because showing the 22 is like a 25 to greater there, this reason. Suppose I can remove the two words here, okay, inside token, and I just go back and I refresh the page, so you can see it error. So here is a showing the like a developer showing the your token is invalid because our length maximum means a minimum 25, So the greater is possible, but less is not possible. Suppose you can use like is equal to sign. Okay, means that this is the one type of operator. So you can using this one and just refresh the page. So it's showing the always error because here is not equal to sign. Suppose I can add one words more and I save this file. So its str length is like equal to 25. So here showing the continue because it's the same. Suppose I will add another more and I just save and I just go back again. So it's showing the error. Got my question? So this is the str length function works. Okay. So let's go to another function now, str word count. Okay. So this is the same thing, you can use it like a total is a 3 words. Let's make it here, welcome to Alex. And first I can remove this condition, I will comment out because I need to use again to explain for you, and echo str words count, and here I can make like a length, means whatever do you want to. Let's make a string now, variable name we can change to length to string. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it here 3 because here is the words there 3, welcome to and Alex. This is the use, but how we can use inside real-time projects. So just you can make uncomment and you are right, you are about us, what I am there. So you can make it like this. Sorry, just make, because I have made a wrong copy, this reason. And I can paste here and I can put like a, okay, maximum minimum words like this need. So it's showing the continue. Okay, so just go back again and 3. So it's showing the error because now is a less than is equal to only found 3 words. Suppose the 25 there, otherwise 26 there, so it's going to continue. Suppose I will put here 3, so it's a working very well, so no issue, you can see it continue. So it's a real project working. Suppose you are about us and you are talking about like a user, okay, I need a word count, means I need a maximum like a 25 words need every profile. So you can make it like this condition, like less than is equal to, otherwise you can showing here error, your about us. I just give you the example. Okay, your about us article is like a less than 25 words, so please put like a 3-4 words whatever remaining. So you can put inside a error because you need to make a calculation like this, like a str words minus 3, so you can get it your words, this is the remaining words. Got my question? Suppose I can make like a just Alex, so he told me what is the words remaining. So I just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see one word is remaining. So is because the 3, I think 3 minus words do you need, 3 minus length words. So you can show it like a, okay, one words remaining. Suppose you can add like welcome to Alex and just go back again. So it's showing the continue, but you can add like here like a 10 words. Okay, and you can change here like 10. So here showing the like what is the words remaining. So this is the error you can show inside a user profile, like 6 words is remaining. You can make it here concat like this, and you can type like words need, whatever do you want to set message, 6 words needs. So you can do it and save 6 words need. Also you can make space here so you can see it, you see. So real-time project like this condition works. Okay, so this is the solution about the like a str word count. Now we need to go next function, str reverse, but this is the function not using anymore because I will not use my life like this function. Suppose do you want to understand how it's works, so just is a simple using, this is not working in validation wise, just you can make it like string inside and you can make it comment out all things. So I can show you, just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it like a reverse your string, whatever you are adding the string here, welcome to Alex, so it's a reversing string, you can see it, you see. Alex means X is going to first, after going to E, L. This is the reverse string. Is I will not see anytime real time project. Suppose is using anybody, so I don't know about it. Some time need, but right now I will not use any time. This reason I can't say anything about the str reverse. Okay. Now is the main focus. You can str replace. This function 100% any project can doing str replace need and needs inside real projects. So how we can work for str replace? So here is a 3 argument wise work str replace, because this is the all function working is a 1 argument like a string. So you can do it. Suppose here is a welcome to Alex. Suppose I need to rename every place is like your project there like this. I can show you welcome to Alex. What are you doing, Alex? I just write a one string. Okay, what are you doing, Alex? How are you, Alex? Okay, so this is here our string there, and we need to replace Alex to like whatever do you want to use. Suppose Alex to Gary. Suppose I need to replace like Alex to Gary. So how we can do it? Just we need to use this str replace function. Let's remove this echo str to replace one. Let's copy because it's sometimes str replace like this. So here you can say it like string. Here you need to make a search. Which words I need to search inside string? So I need to search words like Alex. Suppose I need to search like Alex words. And what words do you want to replace? So I need to replace like a Gary. Okay. And what subject means? Subject means your string. So you can put this string. So you can see it. Okay. Sorry, I just make double quotes. And here I can make semicolon. And just go back again and show you. So this is the str replace function. So you can see it like welcome to Gary. What are you doing, Gary? And how are you, Gary? So you can see it here is a string change like a Alex to Gary. Suppose your project is big. Do you want to client told me I need a like this, so you can do it quickly. And suppose do you want to make a cron job wise, do you want to replace the all the words, so you can do it using the str replace. Suppose this string I can show you. Suppose I can make a echo, and I can make also echo br, so you can easily understand this reason. Okay, I save these files and I just go back. So you can see it like here, you can see it like welcome to Alex to here change to Gary. Same thing you can replace like doing to anything do you want to replace, so you can do it. Suppose here is there like I can change like anything. Suppose I need to change welcome to I can change like hello. Okay, so is welcome is removed and here you can find out the only hello. So just go back again and here you can see it like hello to Alex. Welcome to Alex. Now it's changing the welcome because right now no any other words there here welcome. So I can set these words here. Sorry, I can set these words like welcome Alex here. So here also can change. Just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like welcome to hello. Two place hello, you can see it because the two places a welcome there in your string. So automatic replace. So first one is a replace string. The third one is like whatever do you want to replace. First one is you can to search your string. Okay, I need to search like welcome. Instead of whatever do you want to replace, so you need to write here words, and after what is your string, so you need to put here. So 3 parameter wise is a str replace works. Okay, so here I will explain like a 3 function how to work inside real time. Now what is the use means for function, but 3 is the main function how to use inside real time project. Here is a lots of function available for the str string function, so you can use it, but I like it only 3 or 4 function to I can show you. So I have explained. I hope do you have understand everything. Suppose do you have any question, so please comment down. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.